Hello, I'm wbz-tv meteorologist Barry Burbank, and I have your forecast for this Sunday night and for the next several days. We made it up to 86 in Boston, right on target today, and many other locations made it to 86 as well, as you can see here on the map, like Lawrence and Plymouth and Taunton and Providence. So a very, very nice day all over New England with a nice low humidity, very pleasant indeed compared to what we had yesterday. And they got the sunshine on Cape Cod as well. So that 86 degrees was achieved at 3:26 this afternoon in Boston, the 6 above the average high for this date, but not certainly up to the 100 degrees that was back in 1944. And that 100 back in 1944 was the second day in a row that it hit 100. The previous day was 101 degrees. That August 1944 was a blowtorch August because there was an 8-day heat wave, the 10th through the 17th, all in the 90s, every single one of those days. We had 2 consecutive days at 100 or higher and 2 sets of 3 consecutive record high temperatures. Terribly hot August in 1944. Well, we're not having one like that this year, that's for sure. We haven't even had one day at 90 degrees in Boston. We saw all those little puffy decorative clouds in the sky today. A lot of those are drying up this afternoon and disappearing and are being replaced by some of this high thin cloudiness coming in from the west. It looks like it should remain on the thin side, so hopefully you folks that want to see the shooting stars, the Perseid meteor showers, have a shot tonight, even though it was peaking last night. Didn't see it because of the cloud cover. Tonight, there's going to be a bit of high, thin cloudiness in there, which may prevent us from seeing some of the more dimmer of these shooting stars, and a lot of them are very faint, and they're moving very fast. But get away from the city lights, look north. They seem to radiate from the constellation Perseus, and late tonight, 11 o'clock, after that, to midnight, there's a couple right now. 1, 2, 3, there they go. Got to look fast and keep your eye in the sky and keep your eye in the prize up there. Maybe you'll be able to see a few tonight. As it's going to be nice and dry tonight, the temperatures will fall down late tonight to the 50s in some of the suburbs, about 67 in Boston, and tomorrow it's back up to the 80s. Now, tomorrow the difference will be along the coast, there'll be a sea breeze. The wind will be coming onshore, so we'll only be in the upper 70s at the beaches as opposed to the middle 80s today, but elsewhere, most places close to 85. And it isn't going to be all that hot across most of the country. There are a few exceptions, Dallas being 97, of course Phoenix, it's always hot there for the most part, and Orlando's 91. The West Coast is on the cool side. And what do we have on the map? We were talking about this yesterday, potential for tropical storm Gert developing, and there it is right there. It's about 505 miles to the west-southwest of Bermuda, Bermuda being right there. Here is the center of Gert, with winds only 40 miles an hour right now, but it looks pretty impressive on satellite imagery. It has a signature like it's beginning to take on some strength, and indeed it will do so over the next 24 to 48 hours, but it's not coming to the United States. It's going to be steered out between Bermuda and the United States, so the winds may pick up to as high as 60 to 65 miles an hour tomorrow, and possibly 65 to 75 miles an hour, but it'll be out in the Atlantic, so we won't be concerned about it at all. We'll be watching it with interest, but it goes out to sea. In the meantime, we have high pressure supplying the dry air for tonight, and it looks like we'll have those temperatures falling down quite a bit into the 50s by late tonight. In Boston, 67. Then tomorrow, you can see all this high, thin cloudiness around them, and it'll be filtering the sunshine. So we're not going to have a bright sun like we had today. We won't have as many puffy clouds, but we'll have a lot of this thin, wispy, cirrus-type cloudiness, which will make it sort of a milky-looking sky at times. Don't think there'll be any showers tomorrow. Along the coast, upper 70s, mid-80s inland. And then tomorrow night it becomes rather cloudy. And there's a risk that there's going to be some rain here on Tuesday morning. It's been looking like it's been going out to sea, but now it's shifting a little bit, so there's a chance that there could be some rain in southern New England Tuesday morning. Then it moves out to sea, and it may break up and to give some sunshine and send temperatures back to the low middle 80s Tuesday afternoon. A few showers or storms will happen later Tuesday up north. These are the dew points right now in the low to middle 50s. Really refreshing, comfortable air will be with us tonight and much of tomorrow, although it'll tick up a little bit in humidity. It's going to go up a little bit, as the dew points show here. It just goes up to the low to maybe middle 60s tomorrow, but that would be late in the day, and it's going to be on the humid side on Tuesday as well when it's raining. Now, if you're going to the beach tomorrow, you'll find the tide will be high late in the afternoon, about 5 o'clock. The temperatures will be in the upper 70s at the beaches. The wind will be coming onshore from the ocean onto the beaches. Today it was just the reverse. It was going from the land onto the ocean, so therefore the temperatures were higher. The water temperatures will stay about the same, but sometimes the water actually cools off a little bit when you get a stronger land breeze like we had today, but tomorrow the sea breeze will occur. Look at those buoy temperatures, upper 60s and lower 70s. For the Cape and the Islands, it looks like it'll be a nice day tomorrow, but a lot of that cloudiness will be filtering the sunshine, and then Tuesday we have the chance of those showers. Okay, here we look ahead to 7 days, and it looks like the hottest day of the week should be Wednesday when it may hit 88, but still no 90 degrees indicated. And then it looks like some more showers will come back in later Thursday afternoon. Might be some big showers and thunderstorms here Thursday night. And then we get into temperatures a little bit below average Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and partly sunny. You can watch WBZ News tonight at 11 o'clock. You can also see it at 8 o'clock on My TV 38 for the latest news and weather updates. Have a great week.